Hello, welcome to our English lesson for today. We're going to do 3 things in English today. 1, it's a fun lesson, you get to play with water. And 2, we're going to listen to the sounds that we hear. And then 3, we're going to write a few words. Okay, so let's start. Actually, we're going to do 1 and 2 kind of at the same time. So first, we're going to play with water. So I have a bowl here. I have a bowl. If you can see that, there you go. And I have some cups. I have some different things. So what your task is, what your task is for today is to use either a bowl or a sink or a bucket or anything that you have at home. And then you can find different things. So you're just going to pour and play around with water. So I'm just going to show you a very small example. Let's listen to the sounds that we can hear. Did you hear that? If I poured it from slightly higher up, does the sound change? Louder? Quieter? It's up to you to play around with that and figure that out. What if I dropped ice? Ooh, it's cold. I dropped ice into the water. Should we try another one? What about from up here? Did you hear that? You might not have heard that. What happened to the ice after it hit the water? What if I went? Sounds do you hear? Okay, so let's talk about that now. We have done, you're going to do a little bit more water play at home. You might have a watering can or different size bottles that you can use or something to drip. Have a look at what you have at home and you can play around with that and just play with the water. You might have a spoon or different things. I'd love to hear the items that you find to play with at home. So now I've finished playing with water. You've also listened to the sounds that it made, haven't you? But we're going to write some words. And the words that we're going to write today are the words of those sounds. And that has a very specific name. Words that describe the sound that it makes. It's a very difficult name. It's called onomatopoeia. Can you say that? Onomatopoeia. My turn, onomatopoeia. Your turn. Again, my turn, onomatopoeia. Your turn. Don't worry about writing this word. It's a very long and tricky word to write. But what it means is the sounds that things make, what it actually sounds like. For example, when I poured the water at the beginning, I heard, can you read that? Drip, drip. Didn't you hear it go drip, 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 drip? And it went drip, drip, drip from low, and it was a bit louder when I was higher up. And it actually went, also another word that I'm going to add, because you maybe didn't see that, but I saw it all over my computer screen. It went splash, 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 splash. So what did it sound like? It sounded like drip, drip, drip. And the word is drip. So that's onomatopoeia. That's what it means. It sounds like it. Drip, splash. What about when I dropped the ice? You might not have heard that, but it did kind of go ding, ding, ding on the side, but inside the ice cracked and I heard crick, crack. Did you hear that? Crick, crack. And I used my hand and I heard swish, 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 swish. So there are actually 4 4 sounds, 4 words that I wrote today to describe the sounds that I heard. There was first drip, my turn. Drip, your turn. Then there was splash, my turn. Splash, your turn. Then there was crick crack, my turn. Crick crack, your turn. You can sound that out as well if you want. And then there was swish, my turn. Swish, your turn. Good. Now, that is called onomatopoeia. And this is just our first lesson, so don't worry too much about writing the word. See if you can remember that word and what it means. Writing words, for me, is finished. Now it's your turn at home. Can you play with some water, listen to the sounds, and then write some of the words that you hear when you're playing? Good luck. I can't wait to see your work. Bye.